LG G8X is a phone which is more than value for money phone at 20k rupees but doesn't come with a charging adapter in the box. So this is the original charging adapter, that is 9 volt into 1.8 ampere 16.2 watt fast charging, that we miss in the box. Most of the tech YouTubers are saying that we can use Qualcomm Quick Charging 3.0 to get 18 watts fast charging for this phone. But does that claim our warranty, or our warranty will still be intact if we use these chargers? Well, to clear out all of my confusions, I have personally called the LG customer care service executive, and here is what they told me about the charger. Hey guys, everyone, this is Amir Krishna from People Should Know, and at the end of this video you will definitely come to a conclusion about which charger to use for your new LG G8X mobile.
Okay, just listen, Mr. Santosh.
Yes, sir.
This call is not only regarding me because a lot of people have this doubt right now.
Okay.
Either we can use the Qualcomm Quick Chargers 3.0 or 4.0 apart from the LG G8X chargers, your official chargers, right?
Yes, sir.
As in India, your official chargers are not sold online.
Okay.
Everyone has to go to the service center, and I have reached 4 service centers right now through the call,
Okay.
and they are saying the out of stock mobile. So if this was the scenario, after receiving, maybe in 2 or 3 days everyone can receive their product at home.
Okay.
So if you don't provide the charger in the box, with what kind of charger they could charge? Ultimately, they neither
Yes,
the
sir.
service centers have the chargers nor you provide in the box or online stores.
Flipkart is providing that
No,
cable, charging cable, na, sir.
not, it's not about the charging cable, it's about the adapter.
Okay, sir.
Cables,
Adapter, they are not providing. Yes, sir.
yeah, warranty lies within the adapter, right? Not with the charging cable.
Okay, sir.
When we go to the service center, if there is any problem, they would ask for the next thing is what charger you have used.
Okay, sir.
So we should
Just
show the
wait for
charger.
30 seconds, sir. I'll check the information and I'll tell you the
Okay, sir. Okay,
remaining information.
I'll wait for my best.
Okay. Thank you for being on hold, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if you use any charger, welcome chargers, then your warranty won't defect, sir. So, remaining information only dealer can give, sir.
Okay. If I use any Qualcomm certified charger, my warranty will still be intact. Okay.
No, sir, not at all.
Not at all.
Ah, sir.
Yeah. So that you want to use the only official charger provided by you.
Yes, sir.
So no Qualcomm quick chargers are supported, and if you use them, the warranty will get void, right?
Yes, sir. Just better to use LG related products only, sir.
No, it is a confirmation call because it
Okay.
supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.2 according to the specs and the device.
Yes, sir.
But you are saying it will, the warranty will be void if you do so, if we do so, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So then tell us the buying link to buy that charger. Our service centers are not having stock in them.
Soon they will get, sir.
So till then we want to switch off the mobiles, right? You are saying, Mr. Santosh?
No, sir, not like that.
Not like
Means
that. With what charger can we use
just
till then?
just check in our LG website, sir. You'll get.
Okay, I have checked in the Indian website. There is no listing, but in international website there is a listing. But they don't deliver it to India, right?
Just try it once, sir. If you
Okay,
get,
sir.
then that is lucky.
Let's keep this away from adapters. Let's get to the power banks. Oh,
Ah,
if I charge with the power banks, what would be the scenario? Can you please explain?
sorry, sir. Power bank.
Yeah, of course. Many people do travel and they take phones with their power banks, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me the scenario with the power banks. Just
Okay, sir. Just wait, sir. I'll check it.
okay.
Just hold. Sorry for the hold, sir.
Okay, not a problem.
You can use power bank, sir. No issue.
Okay.
If you want chargers, means I can give service center number, nearest service center number. You can check there, sir.
Yeah, I have their
You just
numbers.
okay.
I have their numbers and they confirmed that there was no stock right now. And
Sir.
they're trying to reach from your side, dealer side from you. Even
Okay.
the dealers are reaching you right now.
Yes, sir.
So till then we can charge with the power banks. No worries at all. Okay.
No worries, sir. You can use, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thanks for
Is
great.
there anything else I may assist you regarding LG, sir?
No, sir. This information is valuable for me and most of the people right now.
Okay, sir. Thank you for calling LG, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Dear people, please share this video to all of your techie friends who got LG G8X in these sales. In the video description below, I have posted to LG through my Twitter account regarding this charger issue. Please retweet my tweet and share this video so that it reaches to LG and they could do something about this issue. Whether they put the charger on online to buy or they make it available in offline stores as soon as possible with the ample amount of stocks. Till then, use the power banks because they are safe to use, as your phone draws the power from the power bank instead of the chargers injecting the power into your phone. You can also use the standard 10-watt charger instead of those 18 watts. That might be safe, but hey, you bought the 20k rupees phone and don't hesitate for the 1000 rupees more to buy the charger. Just keep this in your mind. If your phone got any issue and if you haven't used the official LG charger, LG is sure that they are not gonna pay for it.